If you want your text designs to instantly pop and look high-end, I'm going to show you how to create this neon glow effect in Photoshop, even if you're a beginner. Hey y'all, it's Chy'Ann where we're designing faith and more, and thank you for tuning to another video. I pray that you are having a good day and that you are ready to create this neon text effect that you can use for thumbnails, posters, and social content. If you liked my glowing letter tutorial, this one builds on top of that. And if you would like to get that text effect, it is in the description below. If you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. So first things first, we got to set up that document, create that new file, and we're going to be using the preset 1080 by 1080 pixels. Make sure that resolution is 300. Background content is black and press create. Grab your text tool, and we are going to be using a bold sans serif font, and I will link this in the description below. First, type out the word. We're going to be using the word neon. We're going to change the color into a bright neon shade. So we can do pink, blue, or green. I'm choosing blue. And this is a quick tip. Muted colors won't glow well, so saturation matters. Press OK. Now, double click neon, turn on outer glow, set the blend mode to screen, opacity 75%, and increase the size until the glow feels soft and not fuzzy. This is where most people overdo it and less glow actually looks more professional. Then you can toggle on inner glow and make sure it's a lighter color than the neon that you've used. The opacity is 100%, and make sure the size is between 0 and 10, and that's really it. If you want it to be more intense, you're going to have to duplicate this layer right here. So you can press Ctrl J, and it just adds a little bit more glow to it. Stacking glow is secret to making it look more expensive. For the bottom layer, you can add a blur. So go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, convert to smart object. You can either do it between 20 pixels to 50 pixels. I'm just gonna use 40 pixels and press. This small step makes a difference between amateur and designer. Here's the before and here's after. You can use this effect for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, album covers, or even merch designs. Once you understand glow, you can remix it endlessly. If this helped you, subscribe, and I post graphic design tutorials that are easy to follow and actually useful. And comment what effect you want next. I read them all. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see y'all next time. Have a blessed one. Peace.